24, 4, and 11 in any order for the jackpot prize of 45 million pesos, net of the agent's prize commission. Lotto fans, oras na para sa Mega Million Jackpot. Makikita ang 45 draw balls numbered 1 to 45 na hinahalo sa loob ng draw machine. 6 lucky balls ang hihintay natin piliin for tonight's Mega Million combination. The first number is 44. Ingatan po ang lotto tickets, huwag babasain at huwag paplansyahin yan. Tandaan, kailangan readable ng validating machine na detalye ng winning tickets sa pag-claim ng inyong premyo. The second number is 14. 1-4. Dito sa Mega Lotto, 30 pesos ang panalo pag nag-match ang tatlong numero nyo sa ating winning numbers. And to win, your numbers can come in any order. The third number is 10. Sa mga makakaswerte ng 4 Mega Lotto winning numbers, 1.1 million pesos ang paghahatian nyo equally. The fourth number is 21. 1.2 million pesos naman ang paghahatian ng lahat ng makakakuha ng 5 mega winning numbers. Ang Mega Lotto tuwing Lunes, Miyerkules at Biyernes. The fifth number is 35. Huwag maniniwala sa mga nagsasabing mabibigyan kayo ng tip ng mga mananalong numero sa loto. Scam po iyan. The sixth and final number is 18. Once again, our Mega Lotto winning numbers for tonight are 44, 14, 10, 21, 35, and 18 in any order for the jackpot prize of 60,460,246 pesos and 55 centavos, net of the agent's prize commission.
Pilipinas, digit panalo time na. At unang maghahatid ng papremyo ang apat na masuswerteng numero. Hindi bababa sa 10,000 pesos at pwedeng umabot sa 100,000 pesos ang cash prize pag nakuha ninyo in exact order ang 4D Lotto winning combination. May system plays din dito gaya ng Roll 1, Roll 4 at Perm or Rumble. At narito na ang ating 4D Lotto winning combination. The first number is 5. For the second number, we have 8. The third number is 0. And the fourth and final number is 8. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight's 4D Lotto winning numbers are 5, 8, 0, and 8 in exact order. Kung hindi man sinuwerte sa 4 numbers, mag-ready ng maglaro para sa papremyo ng tatlong numero. Let's now play 3D Lotto! Dito sa 3D Lotto, you win 4,500 pesos per 10 peso play pag nag-match ang 3 numbers ninyo sa winning combination in exact order. 750 pesos or 1,500 pesos naman ang pwedeng mapanalunan kung nag-rambolito system play. Thrice daily ang 3D Lotto, that's every 2 p.m., 5 p.m., and 9 p.m. And here's our 3D Lotto winning combination. The first number is 5. For the second number, we have 9. And the third number is 9. Muli po ang ating 3D Lotto winning combination for tonight is 5, 9, and 9 in exact order. And for our last game this evening, i-manifest na ang swerte ng 2 numbers ninyo. Alamin na po natin ang lucky combination ng 2D Lotto game. 2D Lotto fans, 4,000 pesos per 10 peso play ang panalo ninyo pag nag-match ang dos numeros ninyo sa ating winning combination in exact order. At kung nanalo via the Rambolito system play, 2,000 pesos ang maiuwi ninyo. Reminder po sa lahat ng Lotto winners, within 1 year lang pwedeng mag-claim ng inyong premyo. At narito na ang resulta ng ating 2D Lotto draw. For the first number we have 26. And the second number is 24. Recapping the 2D Lotto winning numbers for the 9 p.m. draw, we have 26 and 24 in exact order. A big shout out to all the winners.